Good evening. Culture is the essence of our society. When I come to the UK in 2006, it was time for me to learn British culture, literally to survive. I found a fascinating book called Watching the English. This book is hilarious. I learned many hidden rules and British etiquette, such as the silent or apologetic complaining rule when I faced with unedible food at the restaurant. Furthermore, I started my morning with English full breakfast, had fish and chips for lunch. At 4 o'clock, I enjoyed a cup of nibbles and biscuit. After work, I went to the pub with my colleagues and had a pint of beer, and I closed my evening with delicious curry. Some months later, my understanding is better. I had a better understanding of life in the UK, but also my body was growing in 3D. I am a great fan of Master Chef, the Great British Bake Off, and Saturday Kitchen. Presuming the British has great interest in food. Tonight, I'm going to talk about my favorite Korean culture. I'm going to talk about table setting, traditional food, and finally, table manner. Have you ever tried Korean food? Raise your hand. Oh, great. It's easy to explain. The average Korean table consists of a bowl of rice, soup, kimchi, steamed meat, vegetables, variable sauce, and side dishes. Rice and soup are served on individual bowl, but side dishes are served in the center of the table to be shared. Because each region of Korea produces various wild vegetables, we have over 100 side dishes. Depending on the number of side dishes served, we call our tables in different names in order number: 3 chop, 5 chop, 7 chop, 9 chop, and 12 chop. Chop means dishes. And this is one of the examples of a 12 chop table, usually served to the king. Each meal are different in color and divided into yin and yang energy food. Meat and vegetables are cooked using different cooking methods so we can taste nature. We use 5 cardinal colors: blue, red, yellow, white, and black. And colored gradient are blended to stimulate the appetite through 5 different tastes: spicy, hot, sweet, bitter, and sour. One of the traditional dishes are always served at each table, called kimchi. Kimchi is one of the well-known traditional Korean food, spicy and fermented vegetables, normally made by cabbage or radish. Depending on the fermentation process, ingredient, region, weather, the taste of kimchi changes. So we have over 200 kimchi in Korea. So nowadays, we have a very busy life. We cannot prepare 12 chop at home, so we have simplified food. One of the traditional and popular food is bibimbap. This is steamed white rice mixed with vegetables, meat, sometimes seafood, and Korean chili paste. This meal originated from ancestral service. where the food left over are mixed in a big bowl and eaten together. Easy to make and well balanced in terms of nutrition, and sometimes served in cold bowl or hot stone bowl. Korean barbecue is also popular. When I say barbecue, you may imagine barbecue party in your garden. A Korean barbecue is the roast meat or seafood on at the table on a gas or charcoal grease, which is built into the table. Finally, we Koreans respect the elders as a matter of etiquette. This means when we eat with elder people, we should pick up our chopstick or spoon until an elder person has begun to eat. And when we drink alcohol, we need to turn around our face away from the elder person and drink. Ladies and gentlemen, Korean traditional wisdom said, food and medicine are grown from the same root. This means there is no better medicine than food. Food is the essential things for our physical and emotional well-being,